Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the vlog again. So today, kaagising ko lang, halos kaagising ko lang. Then I saw a message from a friend, nag-iaya mag-pickleball. So sabi ko, sige. Sabi ko, sunod ako dyan sa pickleball nyo. And it's just near my village. So, habol tayo sa kanila. Kahit 1 hour na lang. Para makapalo-palo konti. Then after that, I'm just going to grab lunch and go straight home. Tingnan natin kung ano pang pwede natin gawin mamaya. So tara at magpi-pickleball tayo today. So I just got back in the car. Kakatapos ko na maglaro ng pickleball. So it's I think I played for almost 2 hours. Nag-extend kami. But it was really a good game today. And yan, enjoy lang with some friends. Saya. Kaya nakakatuwa nakakatuwa mag-pickleball na ngayon because of good company. Kaya yan. So ngayon, I'm just going to do quick bank errands. Tingnan ko kung bukas yung bank dito sa village para makapag-deposit ako. Then after that, I'll grab lunch already. Okay, kaya see you later. Hey guys, so as you can see on my previous clip, I bought something from Lamy again. I was not supposed to buy it. So parang medyo hesitant ako. Pero yung naglakad ako dito sa Ayala Mall, nakita ko siya. Tapos may nakita akong gusto kong I think it's just a normal ballpoint pen. Hindi siya yung roller pen na parang gel type. So here, I got this one. So unbox natin to. So this is the pen that I bought from Lamy. It's a ballpoint pen there. Tapos syempre pina-customize ko ulit, pina-engravean ko ng name ko dito na malapit sa Lamy name. So here, I'll show you guys. So parang it's just a simple ball pen lang. So you just have to twist it yata. There, just have to twist it like that. So it's just an easy pen na pwede ko pang araw-araw. So it's nice. Then I just forgot the name of this pen, pero definitely it's not a Safari edition of Lamy. It's a different name. So I'll try to check it if makikita ko yung name nitong ball pen na to.